Fingers get wrinkly in water. Do you know why? When soaked in water, the nervous system sends a message to the blood vessels to shrink. The body responds by sending blood away from the area, and the loss of blood volume makes the vessels thinner. Wrinkly fingers improve our grip on wet or submerged objects.
Do you know that there is a planet in Milky Way galaxy, with a surface made up of diamonds? 55 Cancri planet. May composed of carbon, in the form of diamond and graphite, as well as iron, silicon carbide and potentially silicates. It's located about 40 light-years away from Earth. Human nose can detect and recognize more than 1 trillion different scents. Do you know that?
A human nose has around 400 scent receptors, which help in recognizing different scents.
Do you know each human has a unique odor signature? Human axillary odor is influenced by genetic factors. It carries information related to his or her personal environmental variables, such as diet and hygiene.
People need vitamin D. Do you know why? Vitamin D plays an important role in protecting the bones by helping in the absorption of calcium. Exposed to sunshine for limited of time can turn the chemical in your skin into vitamin D3.
Like humans, mushrooms produce vitamin D when exposed to UV light. Do you know why? Mushrooms contain plant sterol called ergosterol, which can be converted to vitamin D when exposed to light.
Do you know that the eye is an extension of the brain? The innermost layer of the eye, the retina, and the nerve carrying visual messages from the retina to the brain, along the optic nerve, are visible in the back of the eye.
Human brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. Do you know why? A single neuron in the brain generates only a tiny amount of electricity. Human's brain contains about 100 billion neurons, which can generate enough electricity to power a low-wattage bulb.
Do you know that the neurons sends information to brain at a speed of more than 241 kilometers per hour? The structure of the brain changes every time you learn, have a new thought or memory. Interestingly, exercise produces a chemical that makes your brain more receptive to learning.
Up to 60% of the human adult body is water. Do you know why? Body uses water in all its cells, organs and tissues to help regulate temperature and maintain other bodily functions.
It's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Do you know why? The eyes and nose are connected by cranial nerves. The stimulation from a sneeze travels up one nerve to the brain, then down another nerve to the eyelids, typically prompting a blink.
We see things upside down and our brain turns the image the correct way up. Do you know why? The front part of the eye is curved, it bends the light, creating an upside-down image on the retina. The brain eventually turns the image the right way up.
In space, tears can't flow down. Do you know why? In space, there is no gravity, that is why tears can't flow down. Tears take the shape of a ball or sphere in space.
Eye is the fastest reacting muscle in your body. Do you know why? The fastest moving muscle in the human body is the orbicularis oculi. Humans have two of these, one in each eye, and they control the closing action of the eyelids.
The human eye only sees 3 colors. Do you know why?
The retina has 3 types of cones. One is sensitive to the color red. One is for blue and the other is sensitive to the green. These 3 cones work together to sense combinations of light waves that help us see millions of other colors and shades.
Do you know that you have no sense of smell when you're sleeping? The power of the sense of smell, certain fragrances may contribute to better sleep and relaxation, but will not sense any smell when you are sleeping.
Koalas drink water occasionally. Do you know why? Koalas gain the majority of the water that they require from the moisture content in the leaves that they feed on. They do not drink water intentionally.